Everybody, welcome back. And first of all, I wanted to wish you all a very happy Easter. I hope you guys had a great Easter today. I did. I got up this morning, and being up here for the very first time, waking up on Easter Sunday in Cumberlachia, I walked all over the property. I would show you pictures, but can't really do that with this streaming. So, but I walked around. I found all kinds of beautiful violets blooming. My trillium, I got trillium. I can't believe how many more trillium this year. There's like patches of it, and they're so beautiful. But I walked around, I found those, I saw some, I've got a little groundhog down at the bottom of Chapel Hill. You guys are going to have to help me come up with a name for him. He's right at the bottom of Chapel Hill by the driveway and is running in and out of the driveway every time I pull in. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think we should name our groundhog, because he's all over the property now. But I wanted to give you a little background. I am sitting outside. It's beautiful today. It's in the 80s, Easter Sunday in the 80s. It's crazy. It's last day of March. But you can tell I'm outside. There goes my quail over here. They're over here to your left, my right. But I decided, since it was so nice outside and I'm redoing the kitchen in the little, we call it the cabin now. It's our camper cabin that we've added onto. So it's a little bit in disarray. So I decided to sit outside. This is where I did one of my first videos up here on Cumberlachia with our workshop behind us. It's the first building we built up here, and I'm pretty proud of it. We did it all by ourselves. Didn't have any contractors, did it all to code. We got our building permit and everything. It was great. I had to get the building permit mainly for the electricity that we got for the property. So that's why we ended up, because most on the outbuildings like this, you don't really need one, but for electricity, we decided to go ahead and get one. So this is our workshop. Over here to the left, your right, going down to our creek. Over here to your left, as you can hear the noisy little creatures over there. My quail are over there, and I do have my brooder inside the workshop, which is going to be getting some chickens hopefully this week, maybe a couple turkeys and some guineas, because it's time to get some more animals up here. Thank you. They don't want more animals. They want all my attention. But it's time to get some more animals up here on the farmstead, homestead, just our wonderful Cumberlachia. But today, the main reason we're here is to pick a drawing for our Marching In With Casseroles. I can't thank you guys enough for being a part of it. All of you subscribers, all of you non-subscribers, and you know who you are, hit the subscribe button down below on mine and everyone that you guys just watched, because it's only going to help our channels out. It's going to get our information and our videos out to more people on YouTube. YouTube has a crazy algorithm, so the more you like it and subscribe and make comments, the better it is, and our videos get out there. So if you guys like our videos, hit the subscribe button so it gets out to more people so you can share them with them too. But we've had a wonderful March. Mom's probably got a notebook full of, I know she does, a notebook full of casseroles already. She does this every year. So we have those casseroles. We had 16 different channels. Actually, unfortunately, we had 15 because Daz, our little Aussie friend from down in Australia, he was unable to do it because he hurt his wrist. So I threw in an extra video for me. But we did have 15 other channels. And I'm going to, what I did is I just wrote all of them down on paper, cut through them so I could read them off, because I didn't want to forget anybody's. Plus, I wanted you guys to see that I'm doing this fairly, and even using a clear jar to put these in. So, of course, we had all of my videos and got them numbered on there, so I'll put this in there. We had Mama Vera's, and she had some good ones this year. Not that she doesn't always, but I really liked a few of those myself. And then we had Leanne over at Mennonite Farmhouse. She did a great casserole for us. She always does. If you guys aren't subscribed to her channel, you really need to. She's been in my collaboration. Was this the third year now? I think, Leanne, you've been in it. And you really want to follow her recipes. And then we had Kettle Kitchen, who is new this year and won't be new next year, because I'm hoping he'll come. Can't even talk today. I hope Kettle Kitchen will come back next year. We have the Inquisitive Farm Wife. This is pretty easy. Most times I sit there and cut them all up and off our calendar. We also had Cooking with Bobby Joe. She was new this year, I believe. I think she was. And she had a great casserole. And of course, Karen has been with me every year since the beginning on her channel, In the Kitchen with Karen. She's out, I believe, in Las Vegas. And she has an amazing channel too. C&C Farms joined us this year. We're going to put them right in here. And then Ann Southern Kitchen. And her recipe, I think I'm going to be making that this week. That casserole was great. And I think that's going to be my next meal. Danny Days Ahead. She was in it first this year again. And then my buddy Jenny over at Jenny's Scratch Made Kitchen. I think she's been in it every year also. Her and Karen, I think, are the two. Let me look down here. Yeah, two that have been in every year. I would have had Miss Lori over at Whippoorwill Holler. I'll pull hers off right now. She just missed last year, but she's been in all the others. And she did a great one. And I hope you're feeling better, Miss Lori. If you guys didn't notice, she had to post hers a day late because she was sick. Her and Mr. Brown were sick for a couple weeks, and she was really concerned we may not even put it in time. But I didn't care. I put it in the next day because, I mean, why are you not going to have a great recipe in there? Nessa's Nook joined us. And I'm Merely Melissa. This was her first year with us, and she did a great recipe. I'm hoping she'll join us again next year. We had Pike Creek Farm. Now, these two are messing me up. Pike Creek Farm and Miller Life Kitchen. So those were the 15 channels that joined us. Like I said, Daz wasn't in it, so don't worry, you didn't miss watching his. I put one in, so if you watch mine, it's in there. And last but not least is Christy's Farmhouse, and I really appreciate her joining in. She had a great one. I hope she's again with us next year. So not only do I want to thank all of you guys for joining us, but I can't thank the channels enough. They took the time to join my collaboration, well, mine and Mom's collaboration here on Cumberlachia Farmstead, or Homestead. We used to call it Cumberlachia Farmstead, and we changed it to Homestead because we're probably not going to be selling a whole lot off of the Homestead for a while. It's mainly just for us to survive and be sustainable. Sustainable, that's where we're at. Yeah. So that little garden patch over there, if you guys haven't seen that, there's some pictures. Go back and watch some of my videos. There'll be some more coming up real soon of the gardening. Right now, the only thing I have in there now is peas, lettuces. What else do I have in there? I got strawberries and a couple different herbs are growing right now. And behind me in the workshop, I have all kinds of seed trays filled with tomatoes and herbs and peppers. I don't know if you can see the purple glow, probably not, but it glows at night purple because the grow lights are purple. It's kind of weird walking out here at night to check the quails and I see purple lights in my workshop. So we've got everybody in here. Yes, I know, he says it's time for the drawing. I'm just going to pull out a name. I will have to walk into the workshop and do it because you cannot see the computer screen out here in the sunlight. So I'll go in my workshop and we'll do that in there. And I think I got two. Yes, I did. Let me pull this out. And we have, if you can zoom in on that, C&C Farm. So I'm going to go inside. I'm going to pull up their video and get the link to it, and we'll do the random YouTube comment picker, and we'll see who's going to win one from C&C Farm. Let's go on in the workshop, and I'll see you in there. Okay guys, here we are. We got C&C Farm's video that they did with her mom's hamburger casserole recipe. It was good. I actually make a hamburger casserole, so I know these casseroles are amazing. So I'm just going to copy the link from her video. And then I'm going to jump over to the random comment checker, or random comment picker. And we are going to just hit Control V, which is paste. That is the link to her video. I'm going to scroll down. This is crazy the way you have to do this. I filtered out any duplicates, so if y'all put in 500 comments, you're not going to have more than one chance. That's what we told you. So I'm going to scroll down here, and they want to make sure that I'm not a robot, so I have to answer this. I got to tell them what 1 + 9 is. Thank God I know my gazintos. And then we're going to get all the comments. And on her video, we had 87 comments. So now I'm going to scroll down here, and over here on the left, I'm going to hit Start. Okay, so here we go. We're going to see who all was in it and the winner. And the winner is Kate Hauser 3683. She's going to win the Casserole Kitchen package. So now let's go back outside and tell her what she's won. All right, congratulations, Kate. Now, Kate, do not send me your information on YouTube. Do not send me your mailing address, phone number, anything like that on YouTube. If anyone reaches out to you and says, hey, I'm Greg, and give me your information, they're lying. All I want you to do is email me your information to greg@gregs-kitchen.com, putting it right here on the screen, greg@gregs-kitchen.com, or you can private message me right here on YouTube, but do not type it in the comments and do not let anybody try to scam you and get your information. I will not call you. I will not ask you for it to send it to me online on the YouTube itself. I want you to send it to me either to my email address that I gave you, greg@gregs-kitchen.com, or private message me here on YouTube. So Kate has won not only a 3-piece set of cutting boards, she's got a food processor. We have 2 sets of casserole dishes, 1 glass and 1 is stoneware. And now I'm just totally forgetting, the casserole carrier. And that's going to be a double casserole carrier, so you can make that hamburger casserole, put it in the bottom, and stick all your utensils in top and take it over to Mom and M's or over to the church social, wherever you want to go, and it'll stay nice and warm for you. So was that all of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that's everything. They're in the picture right here to my left, your right. So if I missed one, I apologize, but I think I named all 5 of them. So again, thank you, Kate. I appreciate you watching us, just like I appreciate all of my subscribers and all of you who are not yet subscribed. I think you're going to want to subscribe to my channel, and you're going to want to subscribe to all the others because they have some really great casseroles and recipes all around. So I appreciate you guys. I appreciate all of you that joined me in helping do the casseroles, all of the people that joined in, all 15 of you. I can't thank you enough. Every year, some of you have been coming back and even telling me you look forward to this just as much as a lot of subscribers say this is one of their favorite collaborations all year. So again, congratulations on winning. To the rest of you, don't hesitate to watch me next week. We're going to have some videos from not only me, but from Mom, and we're going to change it up a little bit. I'm going to do a few videos now that it's warm outside. We're going to be cooking over the campfire. We're going to be cooking in my little outdoor kitchen that we put together. If you guys haven't seen that, go back and watch a few of my old videos. I come up with some great things that you can cook outside. So when you go camping, I got recipes for you. You can do a campfire. You can take your little gas propane stove with you. Either way, you're going to have some great things to cook. So again, thank you guys for joining me with Marching In with Casseroles. I can't believe it's all over with. Y'all take care. Happy Easter and God bless. Love you. Bye-bye.